So, Sherry, one of the concerns you shared was that donors and development agencies might be actually under leveraging opportunities for collaboration. So, what has been your experience in working with governments and civil society organizations? And do you feel market players and foundations like yours, the state and the civil society, need to work together to realize greater impact and achievement of our SDGs? And what do you think will help in getting these stakeholders to actually collaborate better?
I think the public agriculture system is absolutely essential for laying the foundation for strong market systems and for fostering the enabling environments in which these market systems can thrive. Public programs, in my view, support the foundational talent pool that is out there of agricultural scientists, input scientists, crop breeders, technical and social scientists, including gender specialists and rural economists and extension agents, many of whom study in public universities or also start and begin their careers in public service and benefit from public scholarships. Public programs also support smallholder producers directly. They invest in seed systems development historically, especially when the private sector isn't robust. They invest in nutrition education, and they invest in broad-based training. In India, there is significant impetus to form, capacitate, and place FPOs on a pathway to sustainability and to simultaneously modernize rural economies. And the many supports that are available to FPOs from the public sector. However, in many instances, the FPOs need capacity building to understand what these programs are that are available. These programs have their own sets of criteria in order for FPOs to be able to participate and benefit from them. This is where CSOs, so your civil society organizations, your nonprofit organizations, including organizations like Pradhan, you can step in to complement or expand the scope and reach of public sector intervention programs. You can help FPOs to navigate these and to understand how they apply to and benefit from them as they're in their early stages of development. And then as I reflect on the private sector can create incentives for more formal markets that are differentiated. The private sector can offer consistent volumes in terms of their demand and opportunity for new, diverse products, such as higher value vegetables and fruits. The private sector can pass on knowledge and know-how, including its requirements down the chain, helping to build capacity and skills while also creating new market access. So the private sector plays a key role in this regard, but it also supports innovation, especially in the areas of technology. And you're seeing a great deal of innovation in finance and technology and the intersections of the two when you think about fintech. Reflecting on the Sustainable Development Goals, I think these Sustainable Development Goals have set targets that are shared vision, and a shared opportunity for participation. SDG 1, which focuses on poverty, 2, which focuses on hunger, and 5, which focuses on gender equality, stand out in relation to the strategy and set of programs that we are discussing today. SDG 13, which is focused on climate action, is also much more important in the smallholder context today. What then can stimulate more collaboration, as you say, really breaking through the silos across these differentiated actors who all have value to bring to bear in solving challenges and creating more efficiency? I think more knowledge sharing and more exchange. This is something that the Walmart Foundation is trying to do through supporting research and knowledge dissemination, as mentioned earlier. The walmart.org website helps create access to research, insights, and data from funded programs, to share more direct participant stories, and to create more transparency to the Foundation's strategies and its funded programs. In 2019, in India, with the support of FICCI, Walmart.org hosted a convening of public, private, and CSO stakeholder organizations in Delhi. This forum provided an opportunity to share more about the foundation, its strategy and programs, but also more importantly, to hear from leaders in Indian agriculture about their development goals, their active programs, learning, and their learning approaches.